So hello children, now we move on to part 2 of our video lesson on mean and median, which is actually a part of data handling. Data handling, there is bar graph, there are other things which we'll see later on. Maybe in the next part 3 video we will see how we plot bar graph. Okay, we are going back because this is more interesting and little new. So we are going back from 18.5 back to 18.4. So in my previous video, part 1 of the video where I have given you introduction, that mean is sum of things by number of things. Okay, and median is what we call the middle one. Okay, so in my first video I have done 3 questions. 1, 3 and 5C. In today's lesson, we are going to do 2, 4 and 5D. So median is the middle one. We will see. So here one thing is very important, children. Before you find median, you have to always arrange the data in ascending or descending order. In higher classes, we call it array. Array means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Generally it is ascending order. If you don't do this, then your whole answer will go wrong. So once more, coming back to mean. So first we have to find mean and second we have to find median. Mean is sum of the things. So there is a boy called Ranveer. He 6 days he works and his 6 days earning are different. Maybe he is not in a permanent job. He goes to different places for different work and he is paid accordingly. So first day he gets 300, second day he gets 250, third day he gets 425. So like that, this is his 6-day earning. So when we want to find the mean, we add all this, and 6 is not given. See how many number of data is there. Data, I told you in my part 1 video, anything which conveys a message which tells something. And this is called raw data. We will see there are different type of data. Statistics again you may do in class 7, 8, little higher level in 9 and 10, then again 11 and 12. Okay, actually for statistics, if you see children, near Barakpur there is an institute called Indian Statistical Institute. So you can check in the net, Indian Statistical Institute. It gives you very high degree in statistics. So children, those who study there can do B.Stat, Bachelor of Statistics, M.Stat, okay, Master of Statistics, and also you get very high degree like what we have in IITs. And those children, they get a very good job in Planning Commission, different ministries. You can go abroad also. So statistics goes to a very higher level, children, and this is the beginning. So we are doing. So we will add his earning, and there are 6 things, 6 days earning. So we will divide with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us add and then we will divide by 6. So I am trying to do, you can write in column and add. I am trying to do mentally 300, 250, 550, 550 plus this I will add. We get 1000. Okay, 450. Now this 3 data. So you can do mentally also. Many times you will see later on. Okay, you can write also. So this gives 1000, 550, 1000. This is 1600. So what I see, we get 2025. This gives you 1000, 1200, 1600. 1600 plus 400 is 2025. When I divide by 6, I think you will get 337 point, I think 50 or 25. So if you do, I think you should get 50. 337.50. So kindly add and check, because I know you people are good in addition and division in class 6. So please add and check, then I'll go to the median part. So kindly pause the video and copy. So next we move on to how we will find the median. Median, I told you, is the middle one. So what we do, very important thing, children. I see this mistake being done by children in class 9 and 10 also. First, put them in ascending order. Which is the smallest? 200. 200. So this is called an array. Higher class you will see. It's called an array. 200, 250. Okay, then which is next? 300. Why I am putting tick, children? I will know. I have written that many times. When number of data is more, we write double or we leave something and you get the wrong answer. 300, then I come to 400, then 425, then 450. Now, when you have even number of term, I'll show you one question with odd number of term. If 6 children are standing in line, 6, and I tell you find the middle. So middle there will be 2. You leave this 2, leave this 2. 6 children are there. So middle one, there are 2 children. So median after arranging is the mean of this, or the average of those 2 terms only. 2 terms only. If you take average of all, it is called mean. Sum of 6 thing by 6. Just this 2 divide by 2. So we get rupees. It's money earned. So please write the unit. 350 is the median, and in part 1 I have shown you what is the mean. So mean is sum of thing by number of thing which we got. Median, we first put them in order, then we see the middle one. So when there are even number of terms, there are 2 middle terms, and we add and divide by 2, just this 2 middle term. So 350 is the median. So what you do to do your teacher's work easy, at the end you write mean is, if my memory is right, rupees 337.50, and median is rupees 350. Remember, what you have the data rupees, answer will be in rupees, mean median. If it is centimeter, height or weight in kg, so answer will be in kg or centimeter. So kindly pause the video and copy, then I'll go for 2 more questions, number 4 and number 5D, before we end this session and this class. So children, we move next to question number 4. Where 7 days temperature, this is roughly temperature of Kolkata now. Okay, so this is winter, summer it's very high. So we have to find from, suppose this is early morning temperature. Temperature actually is maximum in the evening at 4 o'clock if you study geography, and minimum is at 4 o'clock in the morning, because sun takes time to heat up the earth. Okay, so maybe you'll say it's at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, the sun is quite bright, but the maximum temperature is reached at around 4 o'clock. Okay, in the evening, and then slowly when the sun goes down, temperature goes down and down. Since we have atmosphere, children, I'm teaching little geography, so heat is not lost. Like moon, you will see day temperature 100 degree, night minus 200 degree. So our atmosphere protects us. So slowly the temperature goes down, and at early morning maybe this is the temperature now. So that's why you have few instruments called 6s maximum and minimum thermometer, where you can record both the minimum, which is in the morning, and the maximum in the evening. So geography is also very interesting study. Okay, anyway, let's come back to maths. So these are the 7-day temperatures. Just I'm telling morning because whole day the temperature varies. So maybe this is early morning 6 o'clock temperature. So we have to find the mean. Mean means, children, we add all together, and in a week there are 7 days. So my total number of data should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us add, children. Okay, let us add and divide by 7. Okay, so let us add all this 7 data and see decimal, and these are in degrees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 7. So I think if you add, you should get 161 by 7. And if you divide 161 by 7, 7 2s are 14, you'll get 7 3s are 21. So average mean weekly temperature is 23 degree. So 161. Okay, so when you are in a hurry, you do silly mistakes. So you can put in degree, these are temperatures, so answer will be in degree. So you add all this 7, so you will get 161. You divide by 7, and when you divide 161 by 7, you get 23 degree. So kindly pause the video, then I'll do the median part. So next we will find the median. So median, what we do, children? First we have to arrange them in ascending order. As I told you, please remember. Then you find the middle one. So here we have odd number, it will be very easy. Which one is in the middle? So I start with the smallest, least 21 degree. Then I have 22 degree. Then I have 23 degree to 23 degree. Okay. Then 23.5. Then I have 24, 24.5. Always check at the end. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you leave 3 here and leave 3 here. When there are odd number, 23 is the median. So when you have odd number of things, children, there is one median. Okay, so ascending order, median is the middle one. So leave 3 this side, leave 3 this side. You put them in ascending order from small to big. Okay, 21 was smallest, 22, 23, 23, 23.5, 24 and 24.5. So the median is also 23. Okay, mean was also 23 if I remember. Okay, so median is also 23, the middle one. So there are 7. So there is a way of writing there are 7 things. So what we actually do, 7 things, 7 plus 1. Okay, we add by 2 means the 4th thing. 4th item is the median. So we will see this in higher classes. 7 things. We add 1 and divide it by 2. So 4th thing is the middle, you can see with the logic. So then after this I'll go to the last question where we will do question 5D. So kindly pause the video and copy. So next we move on to question 5D. So mean, children, we add without arranging. We add 11 plus 9, 20 plus 10, 29 plus 9, 38 plus 10, 48 plus 8, 20, 30, 39, 49, 57 plus 13. I think you should get 70. So 70 by 7 mean is 10. And median, see how many terms are there? 3, 3, 6. But don't, this is not the median, children. Why? Because I have not arranged this in ascending order. So first let us arrange 9, 9, 10, 9, 9, 10, 10. 1 8 has to be here, smaller. 11 and 13. So kindly check, there are 7 things, 3, 3, 6, 7 things. 3 you leave this side, 3 you leave this side, 10 is the median. Since the number of term n is 7, so median we get, children, as little bit formula you will see in some book, 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2 means 8 by 2. We call it 4th term. Means we have to find median is the, so I'm writing here, median is the 4th term if you see. So this is for odd number. So this is 4th term or 4th observation. Okay, so median is 10. And just I'll show you for your even number. In this example only, or other example I can do, since I have done odd number only, I'll show you how we do by this method. Okay, 7 terms, 7th plus 1st by 2. 4th observation, remember answer is not 4, 4th observation is 10. 7th thing 4, in 7th thing 4th is the middle term. I hope you have understood it. 10 is the answer, not 4. Many children write 4. So one last question, which just I'll explain when even number of terms are there. I did not want to do, but since I'm using this concept now, I'll do one more sum for you before I end the video. So kindly pause the video and copy. I'll do a sum which has even number of observations. So children, we go to next question, and if you see here, we have to also find mean and median. So mean already I have understood, so therefore just I have solved it for you to save your time and my time. So there are 8 data. Main thing I have to explain is your median. Okay, so that's why mean you have already understood. We take sum of thing, we add all. I know you know addition, you will get 502, and there are 8 observation. This is called raw data. We divide by 8, and if you divide, I know that much division, you know, don't use calculator. Okay, and you will get 62.75. Now main thing which I wanted to explain is median. Why I did mean? Because this question says find mean and median. So just I have already solved it for you, the mean. Median, children. Okay, so please pause the video and copy, then I will do the median for you, which is what I want to do with you. So first thing, children, what I'll do is I will arrange it. Remember, most important thing is we will arrange it in the ascending order. So it takes little time, you have to be careful. The smallest data is 43. So arranging in ascending order or descending order is called array. 43. Next I see is 49. Leave some space. Suppose you do mistake, you can put 50. Okay. Done. Then we have 63, 66, 72. 78, 81. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 data. Just check. Never be in a hurry, because you do mistake in arranging and the whole answer goes haywire. 43, 49, 50, 63, 66, 72, 78 I have written, and 81. Now see, since the number of term, this I had not explained to you earlier. So this number of term is 8. N is number of observation 4, and 4, 8. So with common sense, children, you know there are 2 middle term. If 8 children are standing in a line, there is no middle boy there. The 4th and 5th. So how we get, you see. So what we do over here, this is your n is 8, we divide n by 2, 8 by 2. So this is for even number. Odd number I have explained in the previous sum. So 4th observation, children. What is 4th observation? 63. So n by 2. What you do, children? N by 2. This I am doing because some books they use this logic. Simple logic is 8 thing, leave 3 here, leave 3 here, find the mean of this. But how you write, you will see in the books. This is how it is written. So n is 8, n by 2, you get 4th observation. Plus you get n by 2 plus 1, children. 8 observe. N is number of observation. Remember, n is number of observation. N by 2 plus 1. Remember, don't write n plus 1 by 2. Don't write n plus 1 by 2. This will give you 4.5. Don't write this. N by 2 plus 1 means 4th term plus this 5th observation of 5th term. So your median will be 4th observation and 5th observation. What? Their mean. So median is 4th observation plus 5th observation. Okay, upon 2. Okay, another mistake you don't do here. Some children do 4 plus 5 by 2. 4.5 is the median. No, you have to see observation. 4th observation 63 and 5th observation 66 divided by 2. I think you will get 64.5. You try to do 3 difference, so half of 3 is 1.5. So once more, 4th observation. Once more, I am recapitulating. Okay, because after this I will go to bar graph or some other thing in my next part. So first we arrange children. One common sense like this I have taught you. If there are even term, there are 2 middle term, leave 3 here, leave 3 there. If there are 6 term, leave 2 here, leave 2 there. And we add and divide by 2. This is shortcut book, but you will see the book uses this format. Okay, so you will see what is this. So n is number of observation. So first is n by 2. Take 4th observation. 4th observation. First, second, third, fourth. Then n by 2 plus 1. Don't write n plus 1 by 2. This will give you different. 4 plus 8 plus 1, 9 by 2, 4.5. No. 4th plus 1 observation. So 5th observation. Their mean, not 4 plus 5 by 2. I have seen children making this mistake. So 63 plus 66 by 2, median is 64.5. So if you remember mean, what was the mean you see? I have done, and median is at the end, you write the answer 64.5. And if I remember, mean is 62.75. So always try to write the answer at the end so that it is easier for your teacher to see and give you marks in examination. So kindly pause the video and copy, and thank you children for watching this part 2 lesson on data handling, that is mean and median.